all in C-bar form, not a whole stir up. Second working team. Still in bad alignment. Reflection. Be careful on hiring mason which has no expertise. Outcome. Performance. Honeycomb. I hired another expert. Authentic mason from QC. Installing of stir-up measuring 23 by 33 centimeters with concrete covering of 25 by 35. Dowels for right side beams. 1-2-3 mortar mixture. Removing column. For works. Dowel. Outcome of column. Very good outcome. Thank you for watching.